In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by selecting Voice Recorder app and tapping on Allow in all available pop-ups. Then to start recording, use red button at the bottom in the middle. Then hit Allow one more time. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. To add a bookmark, click on this one at the top on the right. To listen to your recording right away, pause it, swipe it and use play button on the left. Then hit up. To end it and save it though, click on the square on the right. Then name your recording however you want to and tap on save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To get rid of it, you need to hold it instead. Tap on delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!